Well, I thought I would do a little something different with the YouTube videos and try something that I've never done before, and that is an unboxing of a new product. And this particular radio is fairly new. I think it came out in early March, so I'm fortunate to be rather new or one of the first to get one of these. It replaces the 817, which was an extremely popular radio, is an extremely popular radio, and it's a low power transceiver, ham radio transceiver, 5 to 6 watts, depending upon the mode, and it's battery powered. Includes the battery. And I got this from DX Engineering, so this is a shameless plug, not by their request, but I did get this, and I got these fancy decals in the mail from them. So I wanted to do an unboxing of this new gear, and I have not opened this box other than to flip up and look and see if anything was damaged, but I haven't pulled anything out of the box yet. So let's just take a look and see, and we'll just go through it together. Like I said, this radio is the newest replacement of the 817. So we've got a really nice map here, a world map with the all of the zones and locations down there. So hopefully we'll make some contacts with some of those areas. Got a manual, which is also available online, and I've already read it online. We'll come to that in just a minute. Of course, we've got a microphone. Nothing crazy about that. If you guys that are Yaesu radio owners, and I've got a couple. I've got a dual bander 8800 and a FT 857 Delta, and the mobile for the car, but just standard Yaesu mic and clip. It comes with an AC adapter to charge the power pack, by the way. And that's a half amp, 500 milliamp, 12 volt charger. Comes with a toroid for I've forgotten. It's in the manual. Probably for the power cable. I think it's for the power cable if you're hooking it up to an automobile. You've got an extra cable here to run power from your other devices, your solar panels, an external battery, etc., etc. And that is an RF choke. Comes with it. Then we've got an antenna, which is a multi-band for 2 meter, 70 centimeter, and 6 meter. And depending how you stack this baby up, you can put the long antenna or the short on it. And this BNC connector connects to the front of the radio. We'll show you that in a minute. Comes with a neck strap, shoulder strap, since it is a portable radio. And then, of course, the battery pack, which is one of the improvements they made. Nickel metal hydride, 9.6 volt, 1900 milliamp hour. Good battery. All right. Some rubber feet to put on the bottom of the radio to keep it from sliding around. And let's get to the real good stuff here. Make sure there's nothing else hiding underneath. No, that's it. So this is the real McCoy right here. And you see how small it is. It's beautiful, beautiful radio. Very small. Hang around your neck. Put your antenna up. And battery pack. Goes in here. It has a double A, I believe it's double A, pack that you can load up with batteries. 8 double A's. Yeah, they look like double A's. I could be wrong about that, but I believe it is double A. And this pack, of course, goes in place of that, so you can back up your batteries, run to the convenience store and buy you some alkaline, which it needs alkaline batteries, to keep on transmitting. And you've got the standard connectors for the accessory, a data cable, which don't see a data cable. I wonder what happened to the data cable. Well, we'll have to check and see what happened to the data cable. Then you've got a place for your key for CW, and an external antenna output there. An antenna here for BNC. So you got a PL259 or SO259 and a BNC connector here. So there you go. Gives you a feel of the size of the radio. And in the next few videos, I will power it up and attempt to make some calls. All right. Thank you for watching. Okay, sorry about that. I know now why I was confused about the missing cable. There is not a missing cable in the box. What I remember seeing, because I know I hadn't been in this box, so where did I get the idea that there was supposed to be a DIN cable? Here it is. And this is for the automatic tuner that is integrated with the original FT817. You can see the 817. This tuner is designed to work with this rig to tune your antennas, and that's where the radio cable goes from here to the data connection on the radio. So we'll get her all fired up here in a little bit, but this is the tuner that allows you to use all different kinds of antennas and tune them to flatten them out for your use on the FT818ND.